Well, one of the things that fascinates me is as part of the old school where I've been brokers and they make their calls and they put it out and they come back and I don't know how much money they make and whether I'm really getting good policy, is that it is so ingrained in society that I don't know if any of the companies that are currently in business can pivot to what you do.
No, I think it's genuinely difficult. And at a strategic level, what they're discovering is that things that seemed for the last 100 years to be assets are beginning to look a lot like liabilities. So like you said, you've got tens of thousands of brokers. You thought that that was a fabulous asset. In the age of direct-to-consumer via the app, it's beginning to look like a liability. Or you've been investing in tech for tens of years, since the 1980s, and you've got this spaghetti code that costs you billions to maintain, and it's much more of a black hole than a black box. Is that an asset or is that a liability? Very difficult to transform these 100-year-old businesses doing tens of billions of dollars. Same way, they've been training in their management teams for legacy preservation, not for business transformation, et cetera, et cetera. It's the classic innovator's dilemma.
Yes, and one of the things I would say is they have a counting house, yes, think Dickens, counting house aspect to them, where you're actually a B corporation. I mean, what, you guys just decided that you wanted to be good guys? I mean, are you capitalists?
We are capitalists and we're backed by capitalists. And as you said, we had an IPO recently. But insurance is plagued by perhaps the costliest problem in insurance is distrust. People don't like the insurance companies. They don't trust the insurance companies. It doesn't matter how much money the insurance company has. People don't believe they're going to pay them when the day comes. So when we came to take a look at insurance, and neither I nor my co-founder knew much about insurance beforehand. We've got 20 years as tech entrepreneurs. When we took a look at this sector, we found a sector that was plagued by distrust. People felt entitled to embellish their claims. The brand loyalty was way low. So we wanted to try and tackle that problem, not just the technology. In Lemonade, you buy an insurance policy in 90 seconds. You get paid in as little as 3 seconds. That crushes costs and it delights consumers. But there was a deeper problem to resolve, which is how do you avoid the conflict of interest between me and the insurance company? And establishing ourselves as a public benefit corporation, as a B Corp, where a lot of underwriting profits goes to nonprofits, allowed us to reimagine the whole business model. And in fact, we live in a flat fee model, a lot like other tech companies, but nothing like insurance companies, where you pay me $1, I tell you in advance that I'm going to keep 25 cents on the dollar. And if there's money left over after paying claims and buying the insurance, I'm going to give it to a charity of your choosing. This isn't just do good stuff. It's about aligning interests. So I don't make money by denying your claims, and you'll think twice before embellishing your claims. And hopefully we turn what is today and two-player game, a conflicted relationship between two players, into a trilateral relationship by involving nonprofits as well. It keeps you honest, it keeps us honest, and it's allowed us to climb the ranks to be the #1 most trusted and loved brand in insurance. And we've only been in the market for 3 years, so we're very gratified for that.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.